Okay, today is Friday, March 10th, 2017, and this is my U.S. patent number 8646294, issued 3 years ago, February 11th of 2014, and it has not found a home yet. However, I'm going to show it to you. This is a rod, 5/16 stainless steel. Left end goes on one side of your laptop. The other side, it's on the other side of the rod. And using a click safe, your click safe, fastens on, not going anywhere. Screen can go up and down. And this is what you might call a docking station. It's secure. Gotta leave the click safe on. But this will also work with microsavers, nano saver, and a padlock and a cable, depending on what end is on the end of this rod. Anyway, that's my security locking device. Not going anywhere. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.